Hi there and welcome again. I'm going to implement a small application. It is a to-do application to remind you that Project 1 is due soon. To do that, I create a folder on my desktop, Project1 ToDo, and we are going to create a new project here. I accept all the defaults, so we are ready to go. To do that, we are going to install this package, Udacity Blockchain Project 1. It is a package that I create for this project. And I'm going to save it in my dependencies. Let's clear my terminal here. And we have the package installed. Then I'm going to create an index.js file. And we are going to use the package that I already installed. Const project1 equals require Udacity Blockchain Project 1. Now to execute the function that I already implemented in the package, then Project 1 print message function. And that's it, we are ready. Let's run our program. Node index.js. As I told you, it is a simple to-do app where you need to respond yes or no. Let's move forward to these questions. Step number 1, navigate to the electrum.org to download and install your Bitcoin wallet. I already did this. I have installed here my Electrum wallet. Then I'm going to respond yes. Step 2, walk through the wallet interface and find your wallet address. I did it too. Step 3, navigate to our application and use your wallet address to generate a message. Then yes. Did you complete the following step number 4? Use your wallet to sign the message. Yes. Step 5, validate message signature with our application. Yes. Using your text editor, document your wallet address, message and validated message signature. Yes. Submit your project document. Yes. And great, I complete my project. Let's run it again. If you complete only a few steps, but you haven't completed all the steps, then of course the step wasn't complete and you're not ready to submit your project 1. Yeah, I know it is a simple application, right? But there is something interesting here. If you go to the node modules and the Udacity Blockchain Project 1 package and open the app.js file, you're going to see how I implemented this application. The interesting thing is that I use promises to do everything in this project. So if I need to wait for your answer, yes or no, then I use a promise to do that. In the code, you're going to see that I create an step class that receives a number, description, and if it is complete or not, an array of steps that contains all the steps for project 1. And then I create 3 different functions to do the logic in this program. The first one and the most important is the executable program. The executable program function gets step and then asks for a step completion. The ask for a step completion, it is a function that returns a new promise. The promise, remember, always resolve or reject. It doesn't return, it doesn't do anything else. It only resolve or reject. Resolve with the data or reject with an error. In this case, because this function here shows the question and wait for an answer. When I get that answer, I resolve with the answer that you enter. Then, when the promise complete and resolve the answer, then I get the response and update the project step array with the response that you enter. What I need to do next is to compare if the index is lesser than the project step length. Why? Because I'm going to repeat the steps through all the steps that I have in the project step array. And the executable program is also a recursive function that is called every time that I have a step into the array. And the conditional to stop this execution is that we have complete all the steps. Then I return an evaluate result. Evaluate result is another function that returns a promise. So I am returning a promise that could resolve or reject depending if all the steps are complete or not. It is simple enough, but it is a good example on how to use promises. So let's check the code, and if you have any question, reach me out in the VIP code channel. Thank you.